Everybody, good morning. It is Vlogmas Day. Oh, hold on. Let me turn this music down. What do you know about that? Why the sun so bright? Okay, guys. Good morning. It's Vlogmas Day 4, and here I am on my drive of shame. If you watched my video yesterday, you would have seen that I closed off in this shirt. And now I'm on my way home and wait, son. It's 7:01. I said I was gonna leave at 6, but hey, here I am at 7:01. Today, I'm going to be on the road today. I'm going to tell you that what I have to do just in case I don't do it, but a couple personal errands, probably stores or personal errands to run on the road today. So stick and stay, see what happens next. I'm home. It is, what is that saying? It's 8:07. It's 7 minutes after 8. So I reach home. The kids have requested, well, Antonio requested and Aiden said he'll have it too. They want bagels and cheesy eggs, so we're gonna make bagels and cheesy eggs right now, and then we're gonna get to our day. Going on the road now. Myself and the boys, of course, because them can't get left by themselves. My mom and my mom, she has something to do, so I'm taking her because she's at the risky age where she's high risk for COVID. So if she has something to do and I can't do it for her, I have to take her to get it done. Because I'm gonna make she go out in a non-taxi or not like that to go expose ourselves. So me and her and the boys going out, and then I have some errands to run as well, so I'm gonna do those. Why things stay so like I buy a holder to use in the car, a mount, and then my little tabletop tripod break. Like, just come and buy something else. We can't walk up and down with the car mount. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to try, and I'm going to see if they can fix it. If not, I'm gonna have to go buy one next one. Oh, when you're going out, when you're going out, you can show that to my brother. It is a nice tree. It has, you see what it has on it? The stars are wood, and it has paintbrush on hard hats and started to work pretty much right away. So I had some writing that I had not completed. So I was doing that here before the kids went to bed. At around 8:30 I told them it was time for bed. They hugged me good night and they went on their little ways. At approximately 9:54 p.m. I stopped working. I was working for a little bit over 4 hours and I was writing this article that was about how to deal with depression without the use of meds. Fast forward to almost 2 a.m. I was still up. I was in the dark. I was not doing anything, but I couldn't sleep. But that's it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for spending this time with me and you'll see me in the next one. Bye.